Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to attach a table bottom to a tabletop. What I have is a piece of wood. This is a piece of walnut, and I drilled 2 holes in it. One from the top all the way through, one from the side all the way through. And I installed 2 threaded inserts, one into the table bottom, the other one into the tabletop. So what you do is you take the block of wood and put in this screw here. You want to secure this to the threaded insert on the bottom. All you want to do is secure it with a few threads. All right. Then you take the one for the side and you put that one in a few threads right here. And there are numerous ways to do this. Some people, they use the threaded inserts and they drill through the table bottom. I personally don't like to do that. I prefer just to use a block of wood that is the same type as the table bottom and do it this way. So it's important to use a screwdriver and not a drill, unless you have a drill with a very low setting, because you don't want to strip out these screws or strip out the inserts. So here are the threaded inserts and the glue that I use in order to secure the threaded insert in the hole. But essentially you take a drill bit, I think it's 5/8 of an inch, I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure. I just did it like 10 minutes ago and I don't remember. But you drill to a depth slightly deeper than the threaded insert. And as soon as you have your hole drilled, you put in some CA glue and then you thread this in either with a drill very slowly. It takes a T40 bit up at the top. Or you could do it with a hex wrench. It takes a 1/4 inch screw. Okay. Tabletop 1, crossbar 1, or tabletop 1 and tabletop 1. And the same goes for this side. Tabletop 2, tabletop 2, and tabletop 2. So all 3 of these pieces are going to be pointing towards the inside of the table. Tabletop 3, tabletop 3, tabletop 3. So the crossbar, the vertical piece, and the tabletop all pointing towards the inside. And then over here, we have the same thing with tabletop 4, tabletop 4, tabletop 4. So on the bottom rail, we have BR2, BR2, and on the other side over there is BR1, BR1. Just make sure that those 2 pieces of tape are in the same location. So the screws that attach the bottom rail of the middle section to the crossbar here are on the bottom. Those will be in a Ziploc labeled BR1, BR2. And then the screws that are used to attach the top rail, which is this, to the crossbar here, are on top. So those will be in a Ziploc labeled top rail TR1, TR2. I'm gonna leave the attachment blocks attached to the tabletop, not to the crossbar, so that you get the positioning correct. So all you have to do is undo this screw here. This screw right here will be attached to the tabletop and that'll stay in place. Just get that screw right there, this screw right here, that screw over there, and then that screw right there. And if you attach that, you should be good to go. All right, folks, that's it. I hope this helps.